itself is embarrassing enough. Unfortunately, once it heals, it leaves behind scars that are very difficult to remove, and these can cause just as much self-consciousness as the original blemishes. There are plenty of commercial creams that claim they can erase scars and dark spots, but they're expensive and often ineffective, and they contain chemicals that can cause further damage to skin. Today's video will discuss how to acne scar treatment with tea tree oil. Don't bother with those. Instead, try tea tree oil. It's natural, affordable, and effective, and we're about to tell you exactly how to use it. First, take a look at why it works. Does tea tree oil work for acne scars? 1. Research indicates that tea tree oil lightens acne scars and scars from injuries without causing unwanted side effects. 2. Tea tree oil contains terpinen, an antimicrobial component that kills the bacteria that cause acne. 3. Tea tree oil heals wounded skin. 4. It moisturizes and restores the skin's natural oil balance. 5. Tea tree oil penetrates deep into pores to remove toxins and prevent the clogging that causes acne and lightens the scars. How to use tea tree oil to minimize acne scars. Tea tree oil is extremely potent. It should be used in combination with other natural ingredients that keep skin healthy and lighten scars, and it should be used in small amounts. Try all the methods below until you find the one that works best for you. 1. Tea tree oil with extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil purifies pores and moisturizes skin. 1. Mix 2 drops of tea tree oil with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. 2. Apply mixture to clean skin and leave on 10 minutes. 3. Wipe off with tissues. 4. Repeat daily. 2. Diluted tea tree oil. 1. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of tea tree oil with 2 teaspoons of water. 2. Apply to clean skin and leave on a few hours or overnight. 3. Rinse with water and pat dry. 4. Apply natural moisturizer like organic coconut oil. 5. Repeat daily to get rid of acne scars. How you treat your acne scars? Let me know in our comment section below.